creases right here. Alright. And there's a crease right here. That's that. Alright, so the dent, the crease is gone. Okay. This is where the main part was. Bring that in for you. Okay. And the main thing is I got the edge really good. Okay. And then I cross-checked. Now when you cross-check, when you look at a crease this way, it tells you the truth. Okay, so we're probably gonna see a little bit of flaws here. Back. Okay. See the little flaws right there? Little flaws. Okay, I'll move the reflection, let the natural reflection look. Okay. Look in the cabinet lines going across. You see any waves? Maybe some slight itty bitty stuff, but that's about it. Okay. Again, here's the board. I'll show you some little flaws. I mean, I can get there and pick at this, and pick at it, and pick at it, and pick at it. But as long as it's symmetrical and clean and straight, for the most part. It's not like crazy out of control. Oh, this is way beyond acceptable. Okay. Again, just a little, maybe a little bit of something right there. Well, there is a little something.